What's up guys? So in this video we're going to be talking about the top 3 concerns when dealing with credit. For more videos similar to this one, hit that subscribe button. But before we get into the video, I need to change real quick. I can't be looking ratchet like this, so let me go do that real quick. Okay, we're good. So now that we're into the video, let's go ahead and get into the video. Yeah. What's up guys, it's Jay and welcome to Flashpoint, where we're all about credit, credit cards, and other finance shit. So now that you guys have those credit reports, let's talk about the top 3 concerns when glancing at those reports. Number 1, public records. Number 2, derogatory remarks. And number 3, unsatisfactory accounts. Now all of these are bad, and in that order. Yeah. Exactly in that order. So let's dive into what in the hell all of that actually means.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? I cannot believe this shit.
Public records are these are going to include your bankruptcies, your tax liens, and judgments, and other items of public record that anyone can see. Anyone. Typically, when you have a public record, you will get flooded with tons of letters from all these busted ass lawyers promising to help you. But guess how they got your information? They bought that shit. They bought it from the credit bureaus, okay? So they could turn around and hustle you and sell you their expensive ass service saying, oh, we'll get your shit right there. So be careful. Don't fall for that shit. Be careful. Straight up. Next on the list are derogatory accounts. These are usually accounts that have been sent to a collection agency. You know, those annoying ass people who call you and call you and call you, and they break the law in the process. By law, they're not allowed to call you if you tell them not to. All they give a damn about is money. Be careful if they want to negotiate or if they promise to remove an item in exchange for payment or partial payment. Most times they don't remove shit. They just take your money and they bounce, right? That's all they do. They just roll on out. That's it. They're like, bye. That's all they do. They have purchased your debt from your original creditor for pennies on the dollar, sometimes 20 cents per dollar. I don't know about y'all, but if I'm getting something for 80% off, I'm buying that shit, okay? So that's basically what's gonna happen. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna come after those funds and they're gonna fade away. They're not gonna remove shit because they don't care about you. They're just gonna fade away, bye-bye. So basically what you need to do is anytime you have a collection agency calling you, just tell them that. And third on the list are unsatisfactory accounts. These are accounts that have late payments. A late payment is where you are or you were 30 to 180 days late on a payment, but haven't been sent to a collection agency, right? So you haven't had all these annoying ass people calling you yet. But before you start getting all pissed off, because you probably looked at your shit and you're probably like, oh shit, I got some late pays, damn. But before you start getting all pissed off and ratchet with, you know, whoever you're going to talk to about that stuff, before you start all that, know this. Credit reports typically contain errors over 50% of the time. That's one thing you don't know. So you might see shit that's completely false. Or you may even see some crazy collection account that you never even heard of from years ago. That's happened to me. But don't worry, you will soon be able to exploit these people for all their wrongdoing to you and utilize that to your advantage. So stay tuned for more videos just like this. I'm going to show you guys how to get out of this rut that you're in. And that'll conclude today's video, guys. For more video updates, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget, hit the bell notification down in the bottom left corner so you guys can stay up to date for whenever I drop my next video. If you found this information to be helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you guys would like to see. Be a good person, be safe, be smart, and remember, credit is your life. Peace.